This tutorial guides you through activating a software-based license key in EthoVision. To begin, open the EthoVision software program. A pop-up window will appear where you can activate your license. Select Use the software activation key to proceed with license activation. Click the Continue button. Click the floating license option to activate the license on your computer. Note this option will require an internet connection, but allows for easy license sharing within your team. Alternatively, click the Computer Locked License option, also known as a fixed license, to activate the license permanently on one computer. This option only requires an internet connection to activate the license. Then, EthoVision can be used offline. A third option is to activate the license permanently on one computer using your mobile device. Use this option if your computer does not have access to the internet. Click Continue to confirm your selection. Enter your activation key. Your activation key is a string of letters and numbers that you received with your purchase. It can also be found on your Noldus portal. Click Continue to submit the activation key and validate your license. Click Close to exit the license activation window and return to EthoVision. That's it. EthoVision is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. For more resources, check out Noldus.